class 7 English. Okay, let's start now. We'll start with our essay 3 syllabus. This is your essay 3 syllabus. SA3 syllabus. This is your essay 3, not essay 2. We'll start for our essay 3 now. Okay, we'll start with our essay 3 syllabus. It's 4.1. Our quaking planet. What is this? Our quaking planet. Okay, a planet is quaking here means the earthquake. Quaking planet. Okay, Earth is a quaking planet. Now see. We often use the saying as safe as in one's house. We often use the saying as safe as in one's house. Okay, we say we are safe in our own house, isn't it? Now, but are houses really always that safe? Don't sometimes even houses topple over? Topple means fall down. Don't sometimes houses break and fall down? What happens when there is an earthquake and the whole ground start trembling? Okay, what happens when there is an earthquake? Bhumikampa, that is earthquake, and the whole ground gets start trembling, means shaking, moving. Okay, now what happens now? See, earthquakes are much more common than most of us think. Earthquakes are very much common. What do you think? In fact, the earth shakes about once every 30 seconds. When an earthquake happens, in every 30 seconds the earth shakes. We have probably a million earthquake a year. In a year we have a million earthquake. But most of the earthquakes are so weak, so small that only special instrument called seismograph, the instrument for measuring earthquake is called seismograph, can show that an earthquake has happened. Okay. Now there are many small earthquakes which we do not feel. Only the instrument that is used to measure earthquake is called seismograph can show that it has happened. Okay. Now, on an average, only one earthquake is about 500 cause. Okay. On an average, what happens? Only one earthquake is about 500 causes may damage. It can cause about 500 damages. Okay. But some earthquakes are so powerful that they can cause horrible damage. But some earthquakes are very much big, powerful, they can cause a big damage, horrible damage, disaster. Okay? There has been many such earthquakes in history now. These are examples of earthquake. An earthquake hit the Chinese city in Tingshan in 1976. It killed about 750,000. That is 7,500,000 people killed. An earthquake hit in Kutch of the region of Gujarat in India on 26 January 2001. It killed about 20,000 people. Small tremors. Tremors here means a slight shake movement. A slight shaking movement. Tremors. Small tremors can happen when volcanoes erupt. Erupt means here throws out bursting rocks and smoke, which comes out when volcanoes, the rocks, okay, burning rocks and smoke comes out when volcanoes erupt. Okay, small tremors can happen when volcanoes erupt. When volcanoes comes out, okay, a small shaking movement can happen. Then can also happen. They can also happen when there is a landslide. When there is a landslide, earthquake can also happen. Landslide, you know what is landslide? Small earth movement, okay, earth that falls down, okay, from the mountain. Landslide means when earth breaks and falls down from the mountain, they are called landslide. Okay, breaking up of or falling down of lands from the mountain, that is called landslide. They can also happen when there is a landslide or when the roof of an underground cave falls in. Okay, when the roof of an underground cave falls in. But powerful earthquake happens when one huge piece of earth crust, okay, huge piece of earth crust, a hard layer. Okay, earth crust means what? The layer of the earth. Okay, now, but powerful earthquakes happen when a huge piece of earth crust, layer of the earth, slips suddenly against one another piece. When it slips, falls on another piece. This slipping may take place deep down under the ground. Under the ground it is happening. We cannot see that. Okay, but the shock travels up through the crust and set the surface quaking. But the shock, it goes up and it makes our earth, the surface of the earth where we stay, move. Quaking means moving. A seabed earthquake may set off a huge ocean wave called tsunami. Okay, when seabed, when underground seawater, earthquakes also happen in the seawater, also underground sea. That may have huge oceans wave called tsunami. You know tsunami, a huge wave, large sea waves that are produced from the earthquake. It comes when there's earthquake, sea waves happens. This can rise high than a house. The waves can be bigger than a house, bigger than a building, higher than a house, and travel faster than the fastest train. You can travel very fast, goes very fast from the fastest train. See, this is the picture of a tsunami. See the waves, how high it is, and it is moving very fast, breaking everything. It will go off. On March 11, 2011, a deadly tsunami killed over 21,000 people and caused widespread destruction in Japan. Okay, the earth crust has in it about 20 plates. Earth crust has how many plates? 20 plates made of solid rocks. There are 20 plates made of solid rocks. We call them tectonic plates. We call them tectonic plates. These plates are very huge in their size. They are constantly moving but very slowly. Most big earthquakes are caused by the movement of these plates. When there are 20, how many plates? There are 20 plates. When the plates move, then only earthquake occurs under the ground. Mostly these plates slide past one another and nothing unusual happens. But when they move, they goes one on top of another and nothing happens. But when sometimes they get locked and sometimes they get locked together and cannot move. Okay, sometimes they are moving and they are locked and they cannot move. The plates, I'm talking about the plates. And when this happens, pressure begins to build up. Then one day suddenly the locked, then one day what happens? Suddenly the locked plates break free. When the locked plates, they become free, that time a big earthquake happens. Then it is a big earth. When the lock become unlocked plates, that time a big earthquake is there. There is a big earthquake that time. The ground shake. That time the ground shakes so violently, that moves so violently that it can release 10,000 times more heat than an atom bomb. Okay, it releases 10,000 times more heat than an atom bomb when the earthquake occurs. Okay, so for today this much. Thank you. Read the chapter. For today this much. Thank you.